The Pixel Watch 4 is a game changer in the world of smartwatches, and here's why. It's incredibly easy to repair. But wait, isn't that a given for any device? Not quite, especially when it comes to tiny gadgets like smartwatches and earbuds. Manufacturers often design them in a way that makes repairs a nightmare. Just ask anyone who's tried to fix an Apple AirPods Pro 3 or the previous Pixel Watch models. But the Pixel Watch 4 is different. And it's turning heads for all the right reasons. The repair experts at iFixit gave the Pixel Watch 4 a whopping 9/10 for repairability, a score that no other smartwatch has achieved. And it's all thanks to Google's innovative approach. Unlike many other smartwatches, the Pixel Watch 4 doesn't rely on glue to hold its components together. Instead, it uses screws, making it a breeze to open and repair. No more struggling with stubborn adhesives or worrying about damaging the device while trying to pry it open. But here's where it gets controversial. While the Pixel Watch 4 is a repairer's dream, other smartwatches, like the Apple Watch Series 10, score a measly 310 for repairability. Apple's design choices, such as the use of glue and hard-to-access components, make repairs a challenge. And it's not just Apple. Many other smartwatch manufacturers follow similar practices, making repairs difficult and often discouraging users from attempting them. The Pixel Watch 4's design is a breath of fresh air, and it sets a new standard for the industry. It proves that smartwatches can be designed with repairability in mind, making it easier for both manufacturers and users to fix issues. This not only reduces waste, but also empowers users to take control of their devices. So, will other smartwatch manufacturers follow Google's lead? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the Pixel Watch 4 has sparked a conversation about repairability that the industry can't ignore. What do you think? Is repairability a feature you value in your gadgets? Let us know in the comments.